Hey, what's going on, everyone? We are going to take another look at a service report here today. This time, we are going to dive into the reports and we are going to take a look at this service request by carrier. Now, this is a really powerful report. I know I've said that with all the other service requests as well, but this one especially because you can look at three key pieces to your carrier relationships here. One, you can see, how many service requests are coming in for that specific carrier, right? It's always good because you can kind of get an idea on velocity on how much premium is being added, taken away, whatever throughout the year. You can also look at your claim services with your carriers as well, get an idea on how many claims each one is taking, so you can kind of get an idea on what that end of year bonus loss ratio, whatever, is going to take a look, or is going to kind of look like as well. And also, since renewals are technically part of the service center, you can also get an idea on what your renewals are looking like per carrier. So I can come in and I can see how many of them are completed for, it doesn't even matter who, let's just say AAA. And then I can pop in here and I can see what exactly is happening, right? I can get an idea on the customer, what the completion date was, who was working on it, and then obviously you can export this as well. So again, this is a really cool report that's very helpful to get an idea on kind of where you stand with your carriers, especially if you have a carrier meeting coming up fairly recently. You can kind of have these numbers in your back pocket and you can speak to them a little bit more intelligently with your carrier rep instead of having to be reactive to the numbers that they're showing you. So hope that one was helpful. I think it's a really cool report and you guys should be taking a look at it. Thanks.